1.5 million Americans and 5 million people around the world are living with lupus right now. Lupus has no known causes or cures.
However, there's new hope. As News Channel 5's Roxanne Stein reports, the FDA just approved the first medical breakthrough lupus drug in 50 years.
There's these three wires that have to go out Monday, and they have to go out first thing Monday morning, and they're overseas wires.
From wiring to check cashing, solving money troubles, and managing her team, being a manager of a bank is always challenging and never boring for Diane Salemi. Imagine keeping all of this straight while fighting a debilitating disease.
That's where it came, was the pain, where you had to get up and down from your desk or walk up and down stairs.
Doctors diagnosed her with the most common form of lupus, called systemic lupus erythematosus.
Lupus can be mild, lupus can be moderate, but if it really attacks you severely, it can be fatal.
Lupus can be painful. Sufferers have overactive immune systems, which are misdirected and can attack their organs, including the skin, muscles, kidneys, lungs, brain, and joints. Treatment includes various forms of steroids and immunosuppressive medications. They're often administered orally and can have awful side effects.
As you can see, I do have the butterfly rash, and methotrexate causes you to lose your hair, and it's like a cancer drug, and it does evil things to your insides of your body.
Seeking alternatives, Diane was one of the first to take a new drug, Benlysta, generic belimumab. It's administered intravenously monthly. Doctors say it may be less toxic than some of the other drugs, and side effects are less severe. The reason? Doctors believe it's because it's made biologically by live antibodies that don't suppress the immune system. Doctors actually use animals like mice and inject a specific human protein into it. The mouse then makes more of the proteins. Those proteins are removed, purified, copied, and then injected into lupus patients.
It's good to have a new, completely different type of medication that may suppress one protein in the immune system, but not everything. And so it's a new age.
Doctors say Benlysta isn't for all types of lupus and hasn't worked for African Americans in the clinical trial. And it's expensive, about $35,000 a year. But even with these limitations, Lupus Foundation officials say Benlysta offers a lot of hope.
We think it's going to bring a lot of attention to lupus, and that means a lot to us because we are constantly trying to create awareness about lupus.
So I think it's a potentially exciting time where there may be significant breakthroughs.
Breakthroughs that some people have already experienced.
Benlysta has helped me as far as my fatigue. I have less fatigue now. I have more energy and absolutely no side effects from the drug.
Which means besides her career, Diane can enjoy everything that life has to offer when her workday is done.
Like any new drug, doctors say it will take some time to discover its actual side effects and true effectiveness. If you'd like more information, please go to WPTV.com and click on Seen on 5. Roxanne Stein, WPTV News Channel 5.